Hello my friends, welcome in the second part of the videos about the subject of how to repair a bathtub flap. In the previous video we've already glued all the pieces together, and in the present video I will show you how to place it back. Little spoiler alert, I did this works 2 years ago, I didn't have the time to edit it, so that's why you find me here in this opening with the flap already placed. 2 further comments. Comment number 1, be very careful about the quantity of silicone that you're putting for the joints, because this is an absolutely horrible material to work. And the second remark is don't wear new trousers, and you will see in the course of the video why. Let's go! So now the tiles are fixed again, and we will place it back. Here, of course, careful when manipulating the tiles because they are still quite fragile. Here there's a little issue, that there are some old joints which are blocking the good positioning of the tiles. So we are now removing these pieces. Now a little bit of sponge that it's well clean. So now we're ready for placing the tiles, and for this we'll be using this silicone. This is a gray one because the other joints are gray as well. So now we have to change the pistol. For releasing, we press on this button. Now the silicone. So here, as I'm working on a certain thickness, I will cut like this. Here I've put already the silicone, and I'm putting here these 2 remains of the old silicone for ensuring the right height of this. Then we are cleaning well the surface on which we will put the glue. Okay. So a sec. Okay. Very careful, not pushing too hard on this piece because the risk it breaks is quite high. Now the great time has arrived. We are putting the tiles back. So now the tile is in place. It's a bit low here. See here that this was a total disaster for the joints, so we're removing the remains with the little piece of cutter blade. So this gives a good opportunity for renewing this blade. So I'm taking now from this blade 1, 2 or 3 steps for using it for cleaning the joints. Careful for protecting well the floor because the silicone is very aggressive. Careful about the silicone joints. This is quite stainful, and this here is a trouser, new trouser I put today for the first time, but this is a classical situation for DIY. That's it, my friends. Now this piece is again closed, so let's say it's rather okay. Here, of course, you're looking at the details, but when you're entering the bathroom, you don't notice it at all. Now we know that the tiles are glued with the silicone paste, and in the very seldom cases where you have to open it, just take a cutter and cut the glue inside, and then it will remove again the tiles. You have seen my mega big speed clamps, and these are extremely convenient for repairing pieces made out of wood. And this will be the subject of the next video, and I hope to see you there on Happy Hour TV 1.